report is the journalist ارشد got to a section on the road where they found some barriers. Essentially, we thought it's actually a police barrier, but they're saying it was small stones. And they didn't stop, and they drove ahead. That's when the shooting happened. And this shooting, according to this report, is that there was a bullet on the left side of the windscreen, where the deceased on the left, where the deceased was sitting. Two on the rear left back side of the screen, one on the rear right door, and one on the right tire. So when you look at that, then there is some sense of the person who was on the left was the target because of the nature of the number of bullets that are on that directed on that. But without assumptions, then the gaps we are looking at is, even if you were to immobilize a vehicle, you don't really shoot at the occupants of the vehicle without any instigation of fire, because in Kenya there are laws of how the police are supposed to use their guns. That's the first question. The other question